The sacrifice of 100 camels. After the excavation of Zemzem, Abdul Muttalib had forgotten his vow. One night he saw a dream reminding him to fulfill his promise. In response, he sacrificed a ram. He dreamt again, being asked for something greater, so he sacrificed a cow. The dream recurred, asking for even more, so he sacrificed a camel. Finally, the dream appeared again, demanding something even greater. When he asked what it was, he was told to sacrifice the son he had vowed. He gathered all his sons and mentioned the vow. Naturally, their heads bowed in silence, for who would offer themselves to be sacrificed? But Abdullah agreed. As he was laid down, his younger brother Abbas immediately began to pull him away. In this struggle, Abdullah received scratches on his face that remained until his last breath. During this, the people of Banu Makhzum arrived and suggested paying a ransom, a fidya. It was decided to draw lots, one slip for 10 camels and another for Abdullah. If Abdullah's name was drawn, they would increase it by 10 camels and draw again. Every time, Abdullah's name was drawn until the count reached 100 camels. At that point, the lot for the camels finally came out. Consequently, 100 camels were sacrificed, and their meat was shared by humans, animals, and birds alike. This practice of ransom became a tradition throughout Arabia. When this was mentioned to the Prophet, peace be upon him, he confirmed this ransom. This is why he used to say, "I am the son of 2 sacrificed ones," referring to Prophet Ismail, peace be upon him, and Abdullah. Abdullah was the most handsome among the Quraysh. He married the Honorable Amina when he was 18 years old. Amina was the most noble woman of the Quraysh in terms of lineage and status. According to one narration, a few days before the birth of the Prophet, an angel came to her and said, "You are to be the mother of the leader of the time. The sign of this child will be a light that appears with him, illuminating the palaces of Syria and Basra. Name this child Muhammad, for his name is Ahmed in the Torah and Gospel, and Muhammad in the Quran, and the Quran is his book." The radiant light in Abdullah's face transferred to Amina after their marriage. Prophet Isa, peace be upon him, was the last messenger to give the glad tidings of the Prophet's arrival, a prophecy mentioned in the Quran. In previous scriptures, a sign of his prophethood was that his father would pass away before him. Thus, Abdullah passed away a few months before the birth of the Prophet, while visiting his maternal relatives, the Banu Najjar, and was buried there.
Then the month of prophethood dawned.